Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by selecting a durable journal and marking the window location. Place the page over a cutting mat and draw the exact rectangle with light pencil lines. Once done, align a metal ruler on the line to protect edges and make a shallow starter cut. Make repeated controlled passes with a sharp craft knife rather than forcing one deep slice. This prevents tearing and keeps the edge crisp. Make sure to count passes and rotate the page to maintain consistent pressure across corners. Now you complete the window by cutting fully through using steady, even strokes guided by the ruler. Pause to check alignment after each side. Once the aperture is clean, reinforce around the hole. Apply thin archival tape or washi to the reverse to stop fibers from fraying and to strengthen corners. If you want a transparent view, adhere a trimmed acetate sheet behind the opening with double-sided archival tape. This creates a protective pane and keeps inner pages visible while preventing dust damage. Finish by cleaning the cut edges. Trim stray fibers with small scissors, and if necessary, very gently sand a tiny edge with fine emery to smooth it. Once satisfied, secure the page perimeter with a thin bead of archival glue or add decorative stitching for extra strength and visual flair. If your cut ends up misaligned, don't discard the page. Attach a matching paper patch over the error, then remark and cut a smaller, centered window. This fixes alignment while preserving the journal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.